Hi everyone, in today's video we will be checking out the Doogee V30T Rugged Stylish Android phone. The product packaging is professional and compact looking. Let us check out what is included inside the product packaging to see what it has to offer. Inside the box, users will find one Doogee V30T, packed nicely in the plastic protective wrapper. Also included is a screen protector for the device. A set of user guide is included to guide users on the product operation. A charging cable and wall adapter is also included to recharge up the device, all packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impressions, the Doogee V30T Rugged Smartphone looks and feels to be durable in the hands. It has strong rubber edges and a metallic structured body to make it sturdy and durable. In this video we have the elegant rose gold version which looks classy and stylish in design. At the side we will find the SIM and SD card tray which you can use to expand storage or connect to network. Let us power it up. On first boot up, users will find the phone setup page. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure the device up. After a few minutes of configuration, it will enter to the phone's home page. Browsing on it is smooth and fast. There are some pre-installed apps that is mostly for essentials. I find that the apps pre-installed are very useful like the camera, phone, messaging, browser app etc. There is a 32 megapixel front-facing camera which allows users to capture clear selfie images. The 108 megapixel AI camera is great for capturing scenic shots when outdoors on the go. It looks really advanced and stylish looking with 3 functional lenses at the back of the device. Awesome. Now, let us check out the camera interface app. There is an option to choose night vision mode which allows me to see and capture images or videos in darkness. Yes, complete darkness. Check out the test I did in a complete dark room. The camera was able to see even in total darkness. How cool is that? I can use it for my camping trips so that in case of any emergencies, this night vision camera can do its job. Users can alternate between different camera modes by sliding the mode selection key. There is a wide range of modes available for you to choose from. Select one that suits you best. Now let us check out some sample images. The images are clear and crisp, colors are vivid and bright, great for image capturing. With Android built in, users can use it for gaming. The performance I say isn't bad. The screen is fast and movements are detected quickly and I can control my in-game character promptly. There is a 12GB RAM built in with option to add on RAM space for memory expansion as shown in setting page. With Android 12 OS built in, users like me can get a good range of app offerings with the Play Store and browsing is smooth with this Android version installed on this device. Overall, I find that the Doogee V30T Rugged Stylish Android phone works great. It has a 10,800 mAh battery which is powerful and long-lasting. Users can use it for long hours of call time and gaming. With IP68 and other durability and rugged ratings, users can bring this phone out and about running errands or on camps, as long as the usage falls within ratings. The device should not be damaged easily unlike regular phones as it's a rugged device. If you want to find out more about the Doogee V30T, check out the description for more details. Thank you for watching.